Sorry for not being on YouTube for a little while, which actually I have been posting shorts. I haven't been able to record my full videos of working out, and the only problem is because my tripod of the camera, of the professional camera I do have, is not working. It stopped working. I think I talked about this a couple videos ago, talking about how the tripod stopped literally holding the camera. So now if I try to use it, it doesn't work. So actually the company of that tripod, the brand of that tripod, is actually sending me not a new one, but they are sending me a part of it. They're sending me the part that is loose. I don't really know how I'm gonna actually fix it, but I'm gonna try to see if with that part, when it comes here, I can fix it. So at the moment, I haven't been able to record anything with the camera. So it's kind of very annoying, because I actually spent a lot of money on that tripod and on the camera for making content. So, but it is what it is. We are working out today. We are hitting chest. Actually want to hit incline on the barbell at Smith. So I actually want to do a lot of reps there. So I'm gonna see how this workout goes. So today, as usual, I'm working out on chest, and then after chest, I will be doing around 20-25 minutes or 30 minutes of cardio. So yeah, it's 8 o'clock now. I had some dinner. I had some mashed potatoes with cheese and kind of like a soft dinner, and I already brushed my teeth and everything. I'm actually ready. I'm ready to roll. I'm actually ready to go to bed. So actually tomorrow, as always, I do have work 9 o'clock in the morning. Then of course I think I'm be doing some type of preparing some stuff on the morning, some stuff, and then I'll be working out on the night. If not, if I do any changes, I'll be going to the gym in the morning. So we'll see how that goes. Today is a day where I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna check my phones and a couple of stuff that I'm doing. I'm actually getting licensed. I'm actually getting prepared for the NMLS, which is a license to actually be able to sell more loans, actually get clients with that, get commission. So we'll see how that goes. I'm actually now getting prepared, about to get a course for it to kind of educate myself about it, kind of know about a lot of stuff, and then of course find money to pay the fees and pay the stuff. So as you know, guys, I'm right now a 21-year-old. I'm actually graduating next year. On top of that, I want to get certified on that so I can make money from it. I'm actually looking to use social media to actually make money with whatever the career, whatever the job I'm gonna do. So you know, social media is very strong, and we are in those times where, you know, you use social media to make money. Basically, you make a lot of money just by using social media, combining whatever you do, whatever your job, whatever your business is, you use social media. You know, you make a lot of money. You make a lot of leads. You generate leads, and you find a lot of clients. So that's one of the things that I'm looking for, of course, which is basically use social media, make videos and edit those videos and kind of post it on social media so people can come to me, make money from that. So we'll see how that goes. Stuff that I'm getting prepared for. So today, actually, after I get home and I shower, I'm actually going to the computer for a little while. I'm actually reading a little bit, researching a little bit, and I'm a kind of at that place where I'm actually figuring out stuff that I can do for that, so I can make money on the future out of this. Because I'm actually getting prepared for my future. I'm actually trying to, you know, get my credit good, my finances good, get my, you know, all the debt going good, making social media community, creating more content, people to know me more, you know, all those type of stuff that are helping me, and I'm pushing myself more and more, so I get to the point where I can actually get paid from this. So as you see today, it's a POV drive going to the gym. Today is chest and cardio. So today I will be posting, I'm trying to post this video by 10 o'clock. Well, actually maybe a little bit later than that, because I gotta work out, I gotta do the cardio, then I gotta go home, gotta shower and all that. So yeah, I'm not with my girl today. I'm actually chill today. Be with my girl on Wednesday, I believe. Right here. Be careful here. You don't want to cause an accident. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people on here. I don't know why. I don't think there's a lot of people in the gym. Well, I hope there's not a lot of people in the gym. And then we can go home and chill. I already ate dinner. Well, actually, I'm drinking probably a protein shake with a little bit of creatine, and then get supplements in like vitamin C and 1 magnesium, so I can get good. Which I have been actually very, very, very strict with my supplements taking and not forgetting any of them. I'm looking and I'm watching a lot of people here. Like, what in the world is this? It's crazy. Like, for real, that's a lot of people. Not gonna lie. Alright guys, so I'll see you on later. Let me actually finish this workout and then get to that. So see you guys. Alright guys, that's a crazy 36 minutes of cardio after working out for like an hour. I hit chest and then after chest cardio. That shit was crazy, guys. I have no energy on me, guys. I'm like dead right now, like no lies, nothing. I actually feel dead. Ooh, but that was a pretty good workout, not gonna lie. I mean, you know, it felt like I was gonna die for a second, but because of I'm trying to do 2 miles a day, you know, treadmill, like walking fast and then running, you know, and kind of like do a balance. So I'm building consistency on there. So, you know, it's getting to the point where I'm getting better and better every day. So, you know, it's pretty good. So, you know, woo. Taking highway today. Woo. Not gonna lie, guys, that was crazy. That was crazy workout. It felt like really good, really efficient, really productive. Now we just gotta get some supplements in, shower, and then I'm going to my desk so I can get some stuff done. So enjoy the drive. I hope you like it. I want to have the windows down a little bit, and I hope you guys like that. Be honest, it feels like my chest is pumping. The reason is because I have been doing 4 to even 6 sets. So a lot of reps and a lot of reps. So that's why I feel like my chest is gonna die. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Actually, I'm not talking. I have no energy, guys. That workout killed me, so. Alright, let me get some supplements in, some protein in, and that's gonna be it for me. See you guys. Peace.